Alright guys, don't vlog and drive, but I'm super excited. I just picked up a Ronin M from my boy Julian, so we're gonna see how this little thing works. Hopefully it's everything I wanted and more. If it's not, then I guess it's cool. We'll figure it out later. But I am on my way to a location to go give this thing a try. Okay guys, I am trying to record a cinematic video. I just purchased a Ronin M, so we're about to see how that works in this little garage that we're at. So hopefully I can get some good shots of my car. If I can't, then I just can't, I don't know. So we're gonna see how this turns out. Got the wheels on that. Oh, look at my wheels, man. Look at them. Look at them. Alright guys, so I am done for this location. I am about to, actually, don't want to forget this. This is my controller. Don't want to forget that boy right there. So I tried some things out with this. I'm not sure how that's going to work, so hopefully it comes out good. If it doesn't, then I know, and I'll try next time. Got my camera bag here. Put my stuff in there. Actually, that's not where that goes. This was like this, like that. Business card. Dope. Dope, dope, dope. What else do I have in here? Another camera battery, because this one's about to die. Have a walkie-talkie just in case I need it. A sticker that says, fuck Rusty. Yes. So now it's time to put the Ronin in the trunk. So that should be good, hopefully. If not, oh well. Take this, pull that like that.
Put that like that. This one too. It would come out. Come on. Come on. There we go. That. And I've been here for a while, so I think when I get out of here. Put that like that.
That should be good. Alright, so now we're all ready to go. Hop in the vehicle. I have been out here for a while. I'm like exhausted. I kind of thought filming with a... Oh, maybe I'll turn all these on, I don't know. I kind of thought filming with a Ronin would be a little bit easier, but I do not know the Ronin yet, so we're gonna see how this comes out. I'm not sure how it came out. There's a lot of things that I would like to have in a video, but I don't have in the video. So we'll just see how it turns out. I hope it turns out good. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If it does, then yeah. Hopefully you guys like the video. If you don't, you know, go watch Crispy, because he's good. Alright, so I didn't leave anything at the location, which is dope. And not a lot of people know about this location, because it's really not that great, so that's good. I don't think this came out good, guys. I don't know though, but I'll get back to y'all, and hopefully it came out good. I'm about to get on the road, see y'all in a bit. Haboosh. That's what vloggers do, right? Yeah. Vloggers do that type of stuff. I don't see why they do that. It gets your lens kind of dirty. It's kind of weird. Yeah. Oh, they do it like that. Okay. It still does get your lens dirty, but it's cool.